What is the best autoresponder service? There's absolutely no denying that if you want to be successful online, you must build an email list. Selling to warm leads and existing customers is far easier than trying to convert cold prospects or new visitors to your website. This is why you see marketers constantly saying, "The money is in the list." Simply because it is. However, let's not forget a crucial component in all of this. The money may be in the list, but where you keep the list really matters too. When building your list, you must use a good autoresponder. So how do you choose from the many companies offering email marketing services? They are not all made equal. Some are infinitely better than others, and you have to pick your autoresponder carefully. The number one rule is to use a well-known, reputable autoresponder company. Avoid using self-hosted autoresponders. Usually created by smaller, fly-by-night marketers, they have no support and lack the features and automation that the established managed services provide. Very often, the self-hosted autoresponders have only one thing going for them: a low one-time fee. But you always get what you pay for, so it's best to pick a managed solution, even if it means paying a monthly fee. One of the best known and most trusted autoresponders out there is Aweber. As well as being very trustworthy, Aweber now also has a free membership level, so you can even try out their services without paying any monthly fee, which makes it even more attractive, especially for beginners. To read our full review of Aweber, looking at both the pros and the cons, click the link below now.